Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is Emily and I am right now sitting inside of my 2000 GMC Safari that is halfway converted and that I am currently converting for full-time van life in the future. So like every basic bitch, I saw Janelle Eliana's video. I thought, damn, like that looks really fucking cool. I knew that I wanted to be able to travel and I just like kind of fell in love with the idea of van life. So I tried making as much money as possible. I got a couple of jobs and then I found this beautiful van. I bought this car with 236,000 miles on its body, but it actually only has 40,000 miles on its current engine. This car is in really good condition mechanically. I'm very satisfied with just like, I haven't had any really major issues. I bought this car for $4,500 and I put $1,500 into it mechanically, so it is all kind of rounded out to about $6,000, which in my opinion is pretty good for a car that I know is reliable and I know that I would trust to take me across the country. I'm in love with my van. It is my happy place. It's like my oasis. Anyways, so you guys aren't here to hear me talk. You are here to see the van because you're probably a van hoe like I am. So let's get started. Please keep in mind that this van is partially converted, is not done, and also I'm doing this all by myself. I have had basically no help, so it's not going to be the most professional, but that's okay. I was kind of going for a ratchet build anyways. I don't need a lot of amenities to live. I don't need a sink or anything like that, so let's get started. This here is my garden. The finest array of flowers, my piss jars, and my floor. This floor is my prized possession because it's the only thing in my van that actually kind of turned out the way I wanted it to. So yeah, let's go inside. So I'm starting over here in the living area, like I'm starting over here in my bedroom. Here I have part of a wall kind of just slapped on here, and this comes out. It's a new feature. You have to be really rich to be able to have this type of wood, like come out wood in your van, so I mean, get on my level, hoes. Anyways, so I have part of wall up here and this is kind of just my bed area. I haven't actually built a bed here, but because I've been sleeping and spending a lot of time in my van, I just needed a place where I could sleep if I needed to. So I put down some yoga mats and just put some blankets on top. It's really comfortable. Again, I have really low living standards. I could sleep on the floor and be totally happy, so it is perfect for me. Over here on the side of the bed, I actually have my pillows and everything, and I have this Build-A-Bear that my best friend gave to me, just, you know, for company. I also have my ukulele because if you guys didn't know, I'm a professional ukulele player. So yeah, stay tuned for my album that's dropping tomorrow. Yeah. Alright, so over here we are kind of entering my more kitchen area. So I found this on the side of the street and I put it in and it's kind of tied in with bungee cord right now. And I am satisfied with this. I might replace it just because this is not drawer, this is just kind of wood, and I feel like if I replaced it with something that was the same size but that I actually had drawers, I'd be able to maximize my space. But this has been serving me well right now. This is also my kitchen area. I have a camping stove that I just set here and I cook with. Yeah, I do usually cook outside, but if I do need to cook inside or wash dishes or do anything, it's nice that I have this just open countertop. So over here we have clothing storage here. Very organized, as you can see, just, you know, I'm a neat freak, obviously. And here I have a little aesthetic basket because would I even own a van if I didn't have one of those cute little fucking fruit baskets? I'd be shunned from the van community, honestly, if I didn't have one. So anyways, I feel like none of my sarcasm is gonna come off right in this video and I'm just gonna sound like a straight up bitch. I promise you I'm not a straight up bitch. So over here we have my fridge. So this here is a 12-volt cooler. I got it off of Amazon. It was very inexpensive. It was like about $150 and it is, I believe, 14 or 16 quarts, so it carries a lot of food. I run this off of a 700-watt solar generator that I do not have in my van at the moment. So anyways, this is my 14-quart fridge. It's more of a cooler than a fridge. Like, I wouldn't put ice cream or anything in it because it doesn't get that extremely cold. but for what my diet usually consists of, I knew that I didn't need an expensive fridge and freezer and something that would take up a ton of energy. It's perfect for what I need, and it carries a fuck ton of food. So right now I just have like water in it and these vegan like Cheetos and a ton of applesauce. So over here we have my toilet. This is just a pop-up bucket that you put a bag in and you take a shit in it, and it is amazing. So hopping into the cab area, we actually will not be hopping into the cab area because I sell clothes. That's how I make money. And I just have kind of, these are all clothes and a couple of books. I've been shopping a lot recently. I'm gonna see what I can do here. Okay. I lied, there's a little bit of room. So this is where I do all of my driving. This is where the magic happens. I got this on Amazon. I really like my space up here. I'm gonna just turn you this way a little. So here I have a car freshener for, you know, all those shits that I take in this van. This is a real lifesaver. I have this thing that I got from a small business called Spiritually Divine, I believe. So anyways, that's all that I have for the van right now. Alright friends, well I really hope you guys enjoyed that chaotic, half built out van tour. I just really wanted to make a video and like kind of let you guys know what was going on. I will be making more videos in the future about, you know, me doing the ceiling, me finishing my walls, and just kind of like me actually finishing up the van. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and give me a subscribe because I will be posting more videos soon. That's all that I have to say, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will be making more videos and I will see you guys soon. Bye!